Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Drupal with LEMP on CentOS Stream 9. First, install wget and developer tools. Next, navigate to the following directory. Download the latest Drupal archive from the official website using the following command. Next, check for files using the following command. Now, extract the Drupal archive file using the following command. Once the Drupal archive file is extracted, a new directory should be created in the folder. Next, you can remove the Drupal archive file. After that, you can rename the folder to Drupal. Now, create a directory to store website files and rename it as follows. Next, change the owner and group of the Drupal directory and its contents to Nginx as follows. Then, change the permission or the Drupal directory and its content to 775 as follows. And some updates needed 777. After that, enable the firewall if it has not already been done. Now, create a PHP-FPM configuration file for Drupal using the following command. Next, add the following codes. Create a new Nginx configuration file for Drupal using the following command. Continue to add the following codes. If you are using an IP address, please remove the entire server name line. Next, save and exit the file. After that, restart and check the Nginx and PHP-FPM service using the following commands. Now, use the following codes if you enabled SE Linux already. Next, allow Drupal to send outbound emails using the following command. Then, enable the firewall. Now, create a database, user, and password for Drupal. Now, open the IP address from your browser. This will redirect you to configuring the final parts of the Drupal installation. Then, input the database details that were configured earlier. Finally, you have successfully installed Drupal with LEMP on your server.